In lieu of this season, I thought I would pass along this recent tip I came across on how to wrap awkwardly shaped gifts like clothing, stuffed animals, makeup, anything like that that you guys might have that doesn't necessarily wrap well and you don't want to put in a gift bag, because I just find that kids especially really like to unwrap wrapping paper. So first of all, you want to size up your gift and make sure it's going to wrap all the way around, and then take and fold each side into the center and secure it with tape. And then take and fold up the bottom. This is going to act as the bottom of the bag, so fold it as high as you want the bag to be wide at the bottom. So I folded it up about 3 finger widths, and so that made a bit of a narrow bag, but if you need something a bit wider, just fold it up some more. And then what you want to do is just take and fold in the corners and make this sort of a diamond shape, and then fold in the 2 points of the diamond shape, I guess, into the center, and then secure it with tape, and this will give you like the bottom of a paper bag sort of closure. And then just take and flip it over and reverse fold this bottom part, and that'll just make it so that it stands up a little bit nicer. And now you can see at this point it's starting to look more like a bag. So if you find that your wrapping paper is just a little bit too long, then you can just take and cut the top off like I'm doing right here, and then you can just go ahead and put in your gift. And then at this point, you just need to secure it. So I did a double fold just to make it look nice. And then secure with some tape. And then when you flip it over, you can take and put 2 hole punches right here and make a little handle, add some ribbons, bows, and a name tag. If you guys enjoyed this little tip as much as I did, give this video a thumbs up and feel free to share.